Hey, this is Beat TV Finland. I'm Mika Hentunen at Espoo Technology Center. I asked Tim Frain, Nokia's IPR director, about the biggest IP challenges this local giant is facing today.
The whole IPR environment is becoming much more complex. We have IPR high on the policy agenda, and we're looking to have a very harmonized approach to IPR so that we understand what the competitive environment is really like.
You have long experience in the area of IP. You were a key player in setting up the department of patent department for Nokia. So how has the patent filing and management changed over the recent years?
Yes, well, I would say that first of all, our filing activity has increased dramatically, reflecting our increasing investment in research and development. But also the environment is much more complex, as I was saying already, so that we have to be, in the early days we were thinking about using our patents defensively in order that we have freedom of action in the marketplace. And looking now to the present and to the future, we have new challenges ahead. We have a more complex technology environment, we have digital convergence where a mobile phone is not just for voice communication anymore, but is for many different kinds of applications. And we have to look to all of these new challenges in terms of our patent filing activities.
Can you give an example of the complex future that's ahead in software technology?
Well, for example, as I said already, a mobile phone is no longer just a voice communication device. So if you incorporate a camera, let's say, into your mobile phone, then your competitors are completely different. You're now looking at competitors who develop, make and sell cameras. And Nokia is today the biggest manufacturer of cameras, actually. So in that sense, here's one example of the competitive environment changing quite significantly.
Nokia has legal battles and disputes with American companies on on technology patents. What's at stake there? What is it about?
Yes, well, if I can say very simply what it's about, we're talking generally about patents that relate to standards, interoperability standards, so that all our mobile phones and the technology in them can interoperate one with another. And the basis of the patents in standards is that you can license them on what is known as fair, reasonable and non-discriminatory terms. And the position that Nokia is taking is that we're looking to have a clear understanding and enforcement of what is really meant by licensing on fair, reasonable and non-discriminatory terms.